Today we have a 2001 Lexus GS300. We'll be replacing the upper control arm. So let's get this wheel off and get started. Alright, so now with the wheel removed, we're going to start off by removing this cotter pin right here for the ball joint on the spindle. And number 17, we're going to remove this nut and separate this here. But before I do that, I'm going to tie a bungee cord here just to kind of help support. I don't want the spindle just kind of flapping up in front of me here. So go ahead and get this off and we'll get to the next step, those 2 bolts. Okay guys, so this is separated. We're going to go over here, 2 bolts, 2 14s. Now, ideally what they want you to do is remove the strut to get these bolts out, but it kind of looks like we can clear it. If not, I'm just going to grab some to kind of compress this, like a strut compression tool or something. But it looks like we might be able to pass these through. The bolt's only about like as long as my finger, so we can try to wiggle it around. So let's get these out 14s and let's try to get them past the strut here. All right, just a quick view. I did one side here, with the bolt reaching out. We can just pull this straight out under the spring here. Same with this side. So let's get these off, removed, and get the new ones. All right, guys. So I got my bolts in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this ball joint onto the spindle, and then we're gonna raise the vehicle a bit, jack it up to where the vehicle's a little bit off the lift, so basically simulating this car on the ground. So I'll basically show you how view what I'm talking about in it, but let's get these together and get that cotter pin. All right guys, so ball joint install the spindle. Earlier we removed the 17 for the OEM. This is a 19, cotter pins in place. So now to the next step, we're gonna jack up the suspension a little bit and tighten those. All right guys, so we put a T-bar directly on the lower control arm under the strut and jacked up enough to where it's basically not on the lift anymore. And then we go and torque these last 2 bolts to 39 foot-pounds, and that's pretty much it. We're done, wheel back on, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.